Hey guys, Matt Games here, and I'm going to show you a quick, easy two-step fix to your Elgato not getting noise. And excuse the noise of my laptop here, it's very loud. But anyways, so I got my capture pulled up here, and my OBS is hooked up here. So what you're going to do is go into your OBS real quick, and you want to hit input capture. If you don't already have that, just go here and then add it. It's right up here. But what you're going to do is right click on your input capture, hit properties, sorry, I was going to screen record this, but it wasn't working, so excuse the camera. But you're going to go to device, hit your capture device that you are using, and press OK. And then go back to your capture, because I spent 2 hours thinking no audio here was my problem, so I kept unplugging things. But then I realized when you go to settings, go to your audio input, just change it to HDMI audio. Instead of analog that I had for so long, just HDMI audio. And then what that does is it sends it straight to your OBS or whatever, or from this. You have to at least have this up in order for it to come through. But it solved my issue. I have sound, and I think it might save you a lot of time, unlike it did with me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope it fixed your issue. If not, keep trying. That's what I did, and that's how I figured this out on my own. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.